Amazing health benefits of carrots. The health benefits of carrots includes reduced cholesterol, prevention from heart attacks, warding off certain cancers, improving vision and reducing the sight of premature aging. Furthermore, carrots have the ability to increase the health of your skin, boost the immune system, improve digestion, increase cardiovascular health, detoxifying the body, and boost oral health in a variety of ways. They also provide a well-rounded influx of vitamins and minerals. Blood pressure. Next time you start getting riled up about something and your blood begins to boil, eat a carrot. Carrots are a rich source of potassium, which is a vasodilator and can relax the tension in your blood vessels and arteries, thereby increasing the blood flow and circulation. High blood pressure is also directly linked to atherosclerosis, strokes, and heart attacks. So this is yet another heart-healthy aspect of carrot. Immune booster. Carrots contain a number of antiseptics and antibacterial abilities that make it ideal for boosting the immune system. Not only that, carrots are a rich source of vitamin C, which stimulates the activity of white blood cells and is one of the most important elements in the human immune system. Digestion. Carrots, like most vegetables, have significant amount of dietary fibers in those orange roots, and fiber is one of the most important elements in maintaining the good digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, which helps it to pass smoothly through digestive tract, and it also stimulates the peristaltic motion and the secretion of gastric juices. Prevents cancer. Beta-carotene consumption has been linked to reduced risk of several cancers, notably lung cancer. British researchers discovered that increasing beta-carotene consumption from 1.7 to 2.7 mg per day reduced the lung cancer risk by more than 40%. The average carrot contains about 3 mg of beta-carotene. Macular degeneration. This is a common eye disease of elderly that impairs the function of the macula. Research have found that the people who ate the most amount of beta-carotene had a 40% lower risk of macular degeneration compared with those who consumed the least. Beta-carotene can also split itself via an enzymatic reaction to form provitamin A, which is often associated with antioxidant capacity in relation to vision. Carrots are one of the most widely used and enjoyed vegetables in the world, partly because they grow relatively easily and they are very versatile in a number of dishes and cultural cuisines. Carrots are scientifically classified as Docus carota, and it is categorized as root vegetable. It is typically orange in color, but purple, white, yellow, and red carrots are out there, just not as common. Improves eyesight. Deficiency of vitamin A can cause some difficulty seeing in dim light. Since carrots are rich in vitamin A, it is good for improving eyesight and preventing the conditions like night blindness from developing as we age. Oral health. The organic compounds in carrots all by themselves are good for minerals, antioxidants, but carrots also stimulate the gums and induce the excessive saliva. Saliva is an alkaline substance and combats the bacteria and foreign bodies that can often result in cavities, halitosis, and other oral health risks. Stroke. Eating a carrot every day reduces the risk of stroke by 68%. Many studies have strengthened the belief in the carrot effect on the brain. Studies conducted on the stroke patients revealed that those with the highest level of beta-carotene had the highest survival rate. Diabetes. Carrots are good for blood sugar regulation due to the presence of carotenoids in this delicious vegetable. Carotenoids inversely affects insulin resistance and thus lower blood sugar, thereby helping diabetic patients live a normal, healthy life.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.